si mother. It's snowstorm, guys. Crazy, -11 and it's snowstorm. I don't know what to say. This is the bank vault. Well, see what's in here. Ayan. Oh, wow. No, it's a function hall. So this is the vault before. This is so nice. Okay. Oh, this is huge. Guys. Wow. Right. Then another. Beshi. Okay, bye. Nice. Then let's go. No, here yata ma.
Where?
Elevator. Go into the room. Historical elevator. Six. Nice. We're on the 6th floor. Perfect. Look at this. This is nice. Sorry. Nagmamadali ako, guys, no? Kasi we're late. Ay, tsaka meron silang little kitchen. This is good, actually. And then, yung kanilang washroom. What? And shower. Not bad. This is the one king bed. We'll see, guys, what's inside. Oh, what's outside? Sorry, I can't see anything. All building. It's snowing outside. Yan, sorry, nagmamadali kami kasi we're late. And banking hall. The charity ball. This is nice. Hello, Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, give me a minute. Yeah. Just hang on. Thanks, man.
Doon na lang ako nag-change. Isa lang. Oh, yeah, butter. Okay. Thank you. Isa lang ako. Tama na yun. Love it. Thank you.
We are put here together in bigger vision, and I feel like we have to have this bond and filter out the people that we don't need in the team and focus on the people that really does deserve the mentoring, the encouragement, the strategies, anything that you guys ever needed or think you deserve, we will be here for you guys. Okay? And it doesn't take much to actually get inspired. It really doesn't. You just have to look around for the people who actually need your help, right?
Smoke. Come on, which one do you like? Oh, let's smoke whiskey. How about this one? Kaya nga, this is scary.
Doon, galing doon, no? Sa baba. Ano ngayon? Hindi ko alam.
They're investigating it.
Wala pa. Sa baba nito.
Chocolate! Oh, cheese. Okay, let's start party!